If your bathroom fan is not working, here are the two most probable causes. A damaged or obstructed fan blade or blower wheel could prevent the part from turning. Remove the obstruction to free the blade or wheel, if applicable, and confirm the part is not rubbing against the fan housing. If damaged, you should replace the component with a new one. If there is no visible damage or obstruction, try rotating the blade or wheel by hand. If the component does not turn freely, the fan motor may be defective. To help determine this, you can use a multimeter to test the motor for continuity, a continuous electrical path present in the part. If the motor tests negative for continuity, you will need to install a new motor to fix the problem. All of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your product in our website search bar to find the specific replacement part that will fix your bath fan.